Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart. In this option trade review, we're going to take a look at a trade idea on Amgen from July. And this was for my insider members on the membership. You can see we are inside the membership menu here. And we're going to take a look at this 5-day trade. Okay, let's start off here. Here's the chart on Amgen, and here's back in end of June, July. I saw this little flag formation forming, and I was looking to get a breakout and get continuation in here. So on the 9th, which was a Sunday, this day right here is Friday the 7th. This day here is Monday the 10th. So right after this day, I said, okay, we got a little pullback here, closed below the 10-day moving average. I'm looking for a resumption of this to the upside. I want to buy at either a break of this high or a close above the 2-day high here, which was 173.61. That's why I originally had 173.61. So then Monday, we got a close right in here at 172.20, back above the 10-day moving average. And I just modified this and said, okay, or a close above this high, 172.55. Well, the next day on Tuesday, we actually did close above it, but before we did that, we slightly broke this high. 174.39 is where we were looking to break that high, and we had a high at 174.43. So on Tuesday, we entered, bought to open September 175 calls, and notice the strike price was just slightly above the trading of that day. So I was looking for a move, looking to get an expansion. And the other thing is I went with September. So I knew that it was going to hold the time premium in there, even if it started to move against us. If the trade went against us, they weren't going to suck the time premium nearly like they would if you had only 2 or 3 weeks left in that option till expiration, which is why I try to give myself some time in here in the trades for that very reason. So here we got the entry. We bought those calls at $4.95 at the asking price. I always, for the trade purposes in here, conservative, buying at the ask, selling at the bid, and usually you try to beat that depending on how tight the spread is. So $4.95, again, an option contract is for 100 shares, okay? And so it's $4.95 for 100 shares. Therefore, that contract is valued at $495. So that's what we bought them at. And then I set a target to exit. The target here is 178.44. Okay, and that with 5 days later, trading on up in here very nicely, we hit it here on the 17th, 178.44. So decided to go ahead and exit all of that. I knew we had a nice little Elliott wave sequence going on here. You can see we had a first wave, a nice sharp second wave pullback, a strong third wave vertical move, a fourth wave sideways push, and then we got this final fifth wave going. But you never really know how much you're going to get. You know, I could have tried to stay in a little bit longer, but I was willing to take that kind of return in 5 days. And notice how if you get a little too greedy, they will take it away from you very quickly. Okay, so that's just the way it worked. It worked out very nicely here. Another thing I just want to point out real quick, this was a 51% return on that trade, a 51% profit. Okay, and the stock actually from our entry point to our exit point, the stock went up 2.3%. Let's see, 2.3% versus 51%. I'll take 51% every time. So that's why I focus on options trades. Now, I've got members, and quite a few members, who don't trade options, and that's fine. They're with me for all of the other reasons. And this is what you get on the inside of the membership here. Here's where you're able to access the pages, the videos and things that I put out on a regular basis. I am going to be also adding courses in here, free courses for the members. I have created a very large course. It's like 9 hours worth of material that I have sold in the past, and I've taken that off the internet for sale, and I've decided to break it down into a lot of little pieces. and provide that free into the membership also. So that'll be coming out here fairly soon. All right, so that's it for now. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a YouTube subscriber, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like more of this kind of information, check out the Insider membership over at my website at joehenches.net. And love to see you on the inside. Everyone have a great day. Talk to you on the next video.